Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming exactly which Nvidia card and OS you have. This prevents mismatches. Open Device Manager or run Nvidia SMI, then note driver series. Once done, disable antivirus and close games so files won't be locked. Next, choose between GeForce Experience or the manual driver package. You'll download the matching Windows 64-bit or Linux package. Make sure to save work and create a system restore point. Because drivers change core components and restores, avoid long rollbacks. Now you fetch and prepare the installer. You can use GeForce Experience for auto-detect or manually pick the driver list on Nvidia site, match series and OS precisely. If you're upgrading across major versions, select Custom and check Clean Install to remove old remnants. For Windows, note that Safe Mode plus Display Driver Uninstaller, the is your fallback. Use the if previous drivers cause conflicts. Make sure the installer file is on your local drive and not a network share. You run the installer with administrator rights and follow prompts. Choose Express for speed or Custom with Clean Install for a fresh start, then reboot as instructed. Once back, verify the driver by opening Nvidia Control Panel, checking Device Manager, or running Nvidia SMI on Linux to confirm version and GPU visibility. If something goes wrong, reboot into safe mode, run the to remove drivers cleanly, and reinstall. Check the installer log for error codes and messages to guide the next step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.